Many students, today we discuss page number 235, last paragraph onwards. Even though Constitution of India was not strictly representative, what is not strictly representative? Not selected the representative members by the adult universal franchises. The great care of consider all shades of the opinion of the people are given publicity in the whole work so that all kind of people could not provide their input throughout the letters. These opinions, what are the constitution are written? These are not a representation of all 400 million population on the time. So, inputs through the letters writing in the newspaper and other ways, Jawaharlal Nehru made this significant statement in Assembly 13th December 1946. What is saying? The future of India that would have envisaged is not controlled of any group of section or provision or others, but it encompasses all the 400 million peoples of India. There is also dust cast, duty of the cast upon us, and us to bear the substance in the mind, to remember always that what we are not functioning in one party, one group. Indian Constitution is not made to show one race. It belongs to all races of Indians. It is representative to all people of India, and also not considered for one group, but also always to think of India as a whole, always think welfare of the 400 million of population of India. The Constitution is recognizing the welfaring of the 400 million people populations. And it seems to be time to has to be when we should, so far we can capable for it. Rise above our ordinancy sleeves and most party disputes and things a great problem for before us. Widest amount of tolerance, most effective manner so that whatever may we produce should be worthy of India. The world should be such that the world should recognize so that we have functioned. So up to date wise we can make two changes of our Indian Constitution. Through of amendment we can make two updated of our Constitution for our societies and what are the moderate periods. As a drafting committee set up by the under chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Drafting committee chairman is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It will take to prepare the final draft, take the account in all viewpoints. And various important aspects of the Constitution were discussed the great depth. And so Assembly the broad directions on them. The final draft was presented before the Constitution of Assembly to discuss and approval. These final adapt was finally this Constitution was adopted. Date is 26th November 1949. But the Constitution came to force. The adopted date is different from the force. The adopt means దత్త తీసుకోవడం 26th of November 1949. But it is came to the force, implementation date 26th January 1950. That's why we considered 26th January we recognize as a Republic Day of India. Understood? And in the following section of we read about some of the important debates in the Constitution Assembly in order to understand how some of these important provisions of Indian Constitution were arrived at. Now see here, reading this Constitution Assembly debates. Debate means discussions about the assemblies on the discussion of the Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar presented the draft Constitution before Constitution of Assembly on 1948. They read extract from his speech. These record of the proceedings of the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar began to give the process of which his draft was prepared, as the Assembly was not elected by the universal suffrages. Seize the steps taken to ensure the maximum participation of the members and also general public. Now Thursday, 4th November 1940, draft Constitution saying, the Honorable Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mr. President, sir, I introduced this draft Constitution as settled by the drafting committee and move that it be taken into the consideration. Means acceptable or what have we written in the drafting committees. The drafting committee was affected, changed and charged with the duty of preparing of the Constitution accordingly with the discussion of the Constitution Assembly and the report made by the various committees. The Constitution Assembly has different committees are there. What are the committees? Can you describe? This one we can observe Union Powers Committee. What are the powers vested with the central government? And the Union Constitutional Committee, the Provisional Constitutional Committee, and other Advisory Committee on the Fundamental Rights. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, and Minorities Committee, Tribals Committee, such as so many committees are under leadership of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. They are worked and given to their reports. These are considered in our Indian Constitution. The Constitutional Assembly has also directed that certain matters to provide the Government of Act 1935. Most part of 1935 Government Act, what are there? Major part we are considered in our Indian Constitution. And I hope the drafting committee will be found how to faithfully carry out the direction to given it. Now we can observe these formidable documents contain at the time of the Indian Constitution came to force framings, 315 articles, 8 schedules are there. Today these numbers are increased, almost 444 articles and 12 schedules today we observed in our Indian Constitution today. It must be added the Constitution, no country should be found such bulky and draft Constitution. Through the world, no one Constitution has not like Indian Constitution. This is the biggest written Constitution. The drafting committee has been before the public in 8 months. During a long time, the friends, critics and advisory had more sufficient time to express their reacts to provisions certain into it. So like this, the Constitution has to work more and more part. Okay, what are they are worked tomorrow? Remaining part we discuss it.